Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take screenshots on Apple Watch Ultra 3. To take a screenshot on your Apple Watch, you have to press the digital crown to open the list of all applications, and once you are here, scroll to the settings using your digital crown and tap on settings and scroll down to the general section, then open it. Here scroll to the screenshots feature, open it, and then switch the toggle to the right to enable screenshots. Now if you want to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch, you have to press the digital crown and the side button of your Apple Watch at the same time, and this will take a screenshot of your Apple Watch screen. And if you want to see the photos that you took, the screenshots that you took, you have to open the Photos app on your iPhone and locate the last screenshots that you took right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.